and today we will be reviewing and demoing the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Foundation. The color I have is the color 330 Toffee. So if you want to see this foundation and what my thoughts of this foundation, then continue to watch. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
Welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to be back. But first of all, we're going to start off by priming our face with the Old Faithful Maybelline primer. I know I'm kind of late with this foundation review, but this is one of my favorite foundations due to the finish of the foundation. I'm going to color correct a little on my face. The Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Foundation I have is the color number 330 in the color Toffee. It comes in 24 shades. It leaves your skin with a natural, luminous finish. It's great for normal to dry skin. It also has SPF 18 and it's also fragrance free. It retails for $8.49. What I like about the foundation is the coverage. It gives me a natural and radiant finish. What I dislike about the foundation is that it has no pump. What is your favorite Maybelline foundation? Like and subscribe and stay tuned for my upcoming videos.